ScaleLogic Media Browser is an award-winning software that turns your ScaleLogic storage into a full media management and video workflow solution. Its intuitive user interface lets you preview material from all cameras natively without the need for proxy generation in a pro-grade player with frame-accurate seeking, timecode support, built-in LUT support for log footage, and accurate slow-motion playback. All relevant still image formats, including camera raw photos and audio formats, can be previewed and played back natively. Its drill-down function lets you browse the contents of deeply nested folder structures instantly and filter and find content based on technical and descriptive metadata. Powerful, fast, and easy-to-use logging functionality lets you organize production and stock footage in a way that makes the editing process extremely efficient. ScaleLogic Media Browser is so easy to use that even non-technical staff learn how to use it in minutes, including directors, producers, assistant editors, and editorial staff. It's fully integrated with Premiere Pro, Final Cut, Avid Media Composer, and DaVinci Resolve, providing you with a seamless workflow to send selected footage to the NLE of your choice, leveraging all logging metadata, including markers and subclips. Its built-in batch transcoder enables you to automate proxy and dailies workflows with unprecedented efficiency. Team collaboration through shared metadata has never been easier. This also works over the internet using Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox. Industry standard checksum verified copy lets you offload footage from camera media or removable drives onto your shared storage with media hash lists compatible with SilverStack, ShotPut Pro, or Hedge. Installation only takes seconds and doesn't require complicated database or network setup or configuration. To get production and post-production workflows up and running, these are the top features you should look at first. The drill-down function is activated through the drill-down button, the context menu, or a keyboard shortcut and shows you the media files in a folder structure in a flat view, which you can then filter using text search, applying to file names and tags and all other descriptive metadata, including markers or a rich choice of filters available in the filter menu. This way you can quickly find shots buried in hundreds of production or stock footage folders based on any combination of date, ratings, tags, descriptions, resolution, frame rate, codec, and other criteria. You can do that instantly without setting up any catalogs or database structures. Your storage essentially becomes a MAM that all your team can use without extensive training. You can switch between a thumbnail and a list view. The thumbnail view is better for visual browsing and selection, whereas the list view is better for QC processes where you list, filter, sort, or process files based on their metadata. The metadata columns can be customized to include all relevant technical or descriptive metadata. The player is integrated in the detail view of any video or audio file that you can open by double-clicking the file's thumbnail. The standard controls of the player are straightforward. The Content tab on the right shows a visual preview of the video's content and can be used for instant navigation. Camera LUTs, for example for log footage, can be applied through the View menu and allow playing back the material with applied LUTs in real time. Accurate slow-motion playback is available through the player's Speed menu. Clip-level metadata can be edited in the Detail view. Markers can be set using the Marker button or the M keyboard shortcut. Press M twice to enter title and description for the marker. Subclips, that is metadata describing a specified time range within the clip, can be added by setting in and out point and then using the S keyboard shortcut. Press S twice to enter title and description for the subclip. Clip-level metadata can be added for multiple clips in one step by using the Edit Multiple function. Tags can also be applied to multiple clips at once in a similar way. All metadata created this way is automatically shared with other team members accessing the same storage. To send clips including metadata to Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, select the clips and use the respective Send to context menu entry. Metadata will be translated so it's understood by the respective NLE. That means you can use the same metadata for editing projects in different NLEs. The Avid Media Composer integration uses ALE export and importing markers via copy and paste. ScaleLogic Media Browser ships with dozens of predefined transcoding presets for batch transcoding to proxies, dailies, or intermediates. Just select the files you want to transcode, select the preset to use, and either start the batch or tweak settings such as the automatic application of LUTs or burn-in timecode. A very powerful mechanism is to build your own custom transcoding presets for individual workflows. These presets can also be shared with the rest of the team. Other features you should explore are checksum verified copying of camera media, batch renaming, batch subclip extraction, batch still frame extraction for social media or other cross-media uses of high-quality video material, and Excel spreadsheet export for inventory or shot lists. ScaleLogic Media Browser, available for Mac and Windows, is the central hub of any production and post-production workflow and supercharges the productivity of your team in a way you cannot imagine until you try it.